If you follow me on this channel, then you know that I am a big fan of ROCKETBOOKs. They are a great way to go paperless without losing the physical connection to your notes. You can write or draw into one of the many options they offer on their website or on Amazon. Today I have a look at a new version that you can get from ROCKETBOOK, the Flip. Why it is called that way, it will make much more sense once I show you. So let's get started. ROCKETBOOK sent me those two books for free. However, this is not a paid preview. This video is, like the others, sponsored by you, my Inner Circle members. Thanks for your consistent support, which allows me to make those free content videos to keep the paperless community up to date on the latest productivity hardware and software solutions. If you're an Inner Circle member, simply go to the members only discount page and click on the link to get the discount applied. Now let's dive into it. The ROCKETBOOK Flip, like the other versions, comes in the same plastic packaging. In the main pocket you get the actual product plus a microfiber wipe. And on the side you get a pen. I will tell you why I don't like this pen, what I instead recommend using in the end of the video. But now let's have a look at what the Flip is all about. If you're a ROCKETBOOK user already, the pages look very familiar to you. On the bottom you get the typical QR code and the symbols that tells your app where the notes should be sent to after scanning them. The difference to the normal ROCKETBOOK is that you can flip pages vertically. It also has two different page versions on the front and the back side. So you can reverse the ROCKETBOOK to use a dotted rather than a lined paper template. This is great if you want to write or to sketch. As usual, the writing or sketches can easily be wiped off to reuse the pages. The advantage of scanning your writings and sketches using the ROCKETBOOK app is not only that you digitize your notes this way, but it also applies OCR, which makes your handwriting searchable. Even more, if you put a title with two hashtags on top, it will automatically use this title as the title of the file. This makes it even easier to store it properly in Evernote, G Drive, you name it. And overall, I still like the product. It is no huge innovation compared to the other products I tested. However, it is another option you can choose from. What I cannot wait to get my hands on though is the upcoming ROCKETBOOK Orbit. With this new product you will get different page packs, easy to switch on the Orbit. It is a bit hard to describe, so I hope ROCKETBOOK is okay that I will show a part of their Kickstarter trailer now.
Write, scan, erase, and reuse your notes like other ROCKETBOOK notebooks. But with the Orbit, you can also flip, flop, and swap your pages out whenever you want. Here's how it works. Write on the pages using any pen from the Pilot Friction line. Friction ink firmly bonds to the pages in seconds, but with a little water, wipes away like magic. So you can use the pages over and over and over. Orbit page packs snap into the binding using magnetic force, so you can flip to the next page and keep things tidy. Or reverse the page pack over to switch from lines to dot grid. You can even swap in a whole new page pack so you always have the right pages for the right job. With multiple page packs and patterns to choose from, it's like magic making for your note-taking. The ROCKETBOOK Orbit also works with the ROCKETBOOK app in an amazing new way. So before you wipe your notes off the page, you can instantly blast them online to your favorite cloud services, perfectly organized and named the way you want. On the top of each Orbit page is a title bar, which the app sees and translates your handwriting into the file name. And on the bottom of each page are 7 symbols, which you can configure in the ROCKETBOOK app. You can assign each symbol to a location within Google Drive, Dropbox, Evernote, or many more services.
So what do you think about the new Orbit? Let me know in the comments below. When it comes to the right pen, I don't recommend using the pen that comes with the ROCKETBOOK. The writing and drawing feel isn't that great and it seems to run dry pretty quickly. I used the color pack from Pilot. This is actually strange as the default pen is also from Pilot. So I hope that ROCKETBOOK improves the standard pen or replaces it with a better version from Pilot instead. Like this video? Then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel so I can catch you up next time.